So we're inside Taiwan main station. So we just arrived from the airport taking yung bus. You know, so took us more than 30 minutes. 6 o'clock yung early na train, no? Going to the airport. This is the bus that we rode. Bus 8019. Yan yung sasakyan mo going here. Tapos yung station, yung train, MRT will start at 6 in the morning. Schedule niya 6 o'clock in the morning. So may taxi dyan. Ito yung 6 o'clock na schedule nila, may sa train pala 6 o'clock, you know, morning. Going dito lang palang going airport natin, no? Kung balik. Then may taxi. Here yung taxi. Nandito yung pila ng mga taxi. Sa kabila. Taxi here. Kukwang Bus Taipei Terminal. So pila tayo. Ikot mo natin sila. Ito. Sa kabila ba? Lipat ba tayo? Station? May jaywalking, oh. May jaywalking tayo? Tingnan natin. Ito available na mag-taxi to?